Oh, looky here. Go. Hey, you watching Blue Bike and Doors channel. Run that intro. We go for the last ride on Lucille. Hey y'all. Oh, I got hill shift. Shift. The problems of having two motorcycles that are identical almost. Well, not, they 3 years apart. Long lost sister Lucille and Black Betty. I still didn't Google who was Lucille's best friend, Lucy. Hello, Lucy! Seen a big old deer over there a couple weeks ago, a month ago. Yeah. Hey, so, yeah, I said, I clickbaited you. I'm not gonna wait till the end to tell you. I'm just running Lucille over for a checkup. Well, not really a checkup. It's a maintenance service, because the way my luck's going, I probably break something, and I just don't want to chance it, because I ain't never did a neck bearing before. He's gonna check that. Flush my brake system and clutch system, because I don't want to do that and mess it up. Because here lately I've been messing up more stuff than I'm fixing. Know your limits, people. Know your limits. This will be the first run of the clutch can too. Make sure I got it hooked up right. So yeah, my taller windshield should be in the day. My tour pack should be in the day. This truck's gonna pull out in front of me. Thank you, sir. I figured you would. Load of manure. There's a chicken house over there. A couple of chicken houses, I guess. I don't know how many chicken houses there are. I ain't never looked. I know they got chicken houses. But that's a manure, I guess. I don't think it's a dump feed truck. Not like that. It's probably the manure truck. Manure! And you don't want to get behind that. I don't know, it's chicken and owl manure. Not owl manure, chicken poop. Slicker than a chicken poop on a well handle. Nothing common. Woo. Hydraulic clutch versus cable clutch. Hill shift. Hill shift. Hill shift. A lot of difference between Lucille and Black Betty, other than the age. So I got Lucille in August of 18. August of 2018. It was 8 miles on when I got her. Second brand new bike. Ever on. Hill shift. But yeah. The road work, so they built new houses here. It's for sale too, huh? And another one there. They about got that one done, I think. And then they put another one there, probably. They built it 30 years. On second thought, I figured I'd talk to you more on this one, because I got told Lucille's a little quieter, because I got vents down there. Harley took them out because that's having too many warranty work, because people don't know how to use them. You get a little dust in them, they clog up. All you got to do is kind of keep tapping on it, it'll come up and freeze the dirt up. I close mine in the fall and open it back up in the spring, and close it when it rains. It helps a little bit when it rains, keeping you dry. So yeah, what else can we talk about? We talk about YouTube. Now, speaking of 2018, Christmas of 2018, I made a video, what to get your man for Christmas. And it got just now, this week, I got a ban against it, or because it's illegal. You can't say firearms or anything related to firearms, and I didn't say anything about a firearm. And when it says I'm talking about cleaning stuff and a boat tray. A tray that you put your boats in, dump your boats out, and then you can sort you and pour it back in the container. One of those things. And it got that. And I was talking about cleaning supply, because you always want to clean your motorcycle, you know. And it got banned for violating the terms of service. Can you believe that? And see, I'm not monetized either, so we go into another thing. This morning I got up because I uploaded a video last night, and I played Crazy Frog. Now the first time I played Crazy Frog, a little bit of it, it didn't catch it. The second time it caught it and says it's okay, it's not a strike against you. But undoubtedly you can't play AC/DC because it got banned. It said it was blocked. I can just edit the video and re-upload it, but I can't play AC/DC. How about that? And it counts against me as a... I don't think it said it counted against me as a violation of copyright issues. Now, you tell me 18, that's, I'm on what? That's 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 6 years. And they just now saying it's banned because I mentioned firearm, which I don't. I appealed it, and then said they uphold their appeal. So now what's my sense? I just like, screw it, block it, I don't care. I'm not making any money off of it anyway. It didn't do but 115 views, so what's the big deal? And the video, I got a video where I shoot a pumpkin, and it didn't kick it out. So you tell me, why in the world it did that? Oh well, that's enough about that. We talk about Lucille and YouTube. This thing just pulled out back there, but she didn't pull out in front of it, but you would think she had enough time to get up to speed. Well, she is doing 60. Anyway, that's about all I'm going to talk about in this video. Yes, you see turkey and deer out there, but I don't see it. So, how's your mama, Nim? I took my thing off and put it on back Betty, so I wouldn't forget it. Because this probably be in the shop for a week or so until he can get to it. He's a one-man show, and he's always building motorcycles. You know, rebuilding the Harleys, because the Harleys, these people build these big motors, and they dog on them, and they don't last. He showed me he was doing one that's got a 135 in it, or 130. He built 135 or something like that, and he was showing me. He said this thing's got a breather. It's got the bypass on the it's got a vent tube breather, you know, block, you know, whatever, so the one bit of pressure. And I believe he said he had a catch. I don't know if it had a catch yet or it bypassed. Anyway, something like that. And it's still putting oil down in it. Anyway, that's about all I'm going to talk about. This and that. Well, Lucille, I just like riding Lucille. Ain't much difference in the bars. I think they're a little bit wider apart, at least I feel that. The only difference is I got a heel shifter on Lucille, and Lucille has lowers. I really like my lowers. I'm looking for lowers for Black Betty, but they're a little expensive right now because it's got that little short thank you, Meduja. anyway, it's gonna be a nice day, so I'm gonna, Beth's gonna pick me up over here, and then we're gonna come back home. You know who I sound like? Chestnut Mountain Tin Man. No offense, Chestnut Mountain Tin Man, Ron. He just makes a video about his life, you know, going to the gym, going to the range, pick up brass, going to the shooting range to shoot, going to church, going to the dentist. Hey, I'm going to the Blue Night meeting. I'm going over and check out this. I'm gonna go fly my drone. I'm just picking on Ron today. Ron's a good guy. Yep. No matter what they say about me, he's still a good guy. Oh, me. Anyway, I ain't got nothing else to say. You pick on John from Rotary House. He's too easy. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button over there. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Anyway, we'll see you down the road.